Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert Affinity Publisher to GIF in Affinity Publisher document. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document, and we can see here some text and some pictures. Now we want to make this Affinity Publisher document to a GIF. Firstly, go to the file menu, then select the export option. You can use the keyboard shortcut key, press Ctrl Alt Shift S on our keyboard, then select the option, then click ignore and continue. Then wait some moment to loading the preview, and we can see here show the preview. Now we want to make this Affinity Publisher document to a GIF. Select this drop down menu and choose the GIF option, and wait some moment to loading the GIF. We can see here the preset is GIF is RGB. You can select this grayscale and more. Now I am select the resemble billionaire. Now you want to change the area, current page or all page. Now I am select the all page. Otherwise you can make this exporting option the specific page. Select this pages drop down menu and write your page number. Then wait some moment to loading the preview. We can see here the preview load is 75%. Now we can see here show the preview. Then we select the export option and go to our file location and select the file location, and we can see here the save as type is GIF. Then we click this save option and wait some moment to exporting this Affinity Publisher document to a GIF. Now we can see we export the file, then go to the file location and we can see here show the GIF file. Now we select the file, then click right button on our mouse and select the properties option, and we can see here file type is GIF. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.